What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to transfer or send Bitcoin from Binance to Trust Wallet. So you might be wondering how to exactly do so. Well, this one is pretty easy. So the first thing that we want to do here is we want to get the address that we want to receive our Bitcoin for. So in this case, you want to go open up your extension for Trust Wallet. Now, by the way, if you're using the mobile app, the steps are going to be pretty much the same thing. So in this case, what you need to do in your Trust Wallet app here, extension, you want to go and look for the option here that says receive. Let's go and click on this one. Now, let's go and click on proceed anyway here, but if you can, make sure to back up your secret phrase. Now, from here, we want to choose BTC since we want to receive or we want to send Bitcoin here. Now, from here, you want to go and copy the address that you see here. Let's go and copy this one. And let's go and proceed with Bitcoin, with Binance. Now, with Binance, what we need to do is we want to log into our account. Now, at the top right, you have your wallet. You want to go to your spot wallet. Now, in your spot wallet, you want to go and choose the option here that says withdraw. Now, under withdraw, just type in BTC in your coin here. And in here, you want to paste your address. Now, by default, it will choose BTC here, but just in case, make sure that you choose the BTC network here. Now, it's really important that you use the same network when you're sending or receiving, in this case, Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency out there. Now, in this case, go and specify the amount that you want to send and click on the withdraw option. But make sure to withdraw the network fees here. As you can see, the network fees here is currently this one. But yeah, go ahead and click on withdraw and confirm any verification required for you. But in this case, that's about it. So the actual transaction may take a few seconds or even a minute, but just wait for it. You should be good. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.